Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're making your PS4 run quieter in just 2 minutes. Start by powering off your PS4 completely. Make sure your PS4 is not just in rest mode. Press and hold the PS4 power button until you hear it beep and shut down. Wait for the PS4 light to turn completely off. Unplug the power cable from the PS4. Also unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4. Move your PS4 to a clean, flat workspace. Place the PS4 horizontally for stability. Now, check the PS4 vents along the sides and back. These PS4 vents often trap dust that increases fan noise. Use a soft dry brush to loosen dust around the PS4 vents. Brush gently to avoid scratching the PS4 plastic. Focus first on the side vents of the PS4. Then move to the back exhaust vents of the PS4. Make sure dust is lifted so it can be blown out of the PS4. Grab a can of compressed air. Hold the PS4 steady with your free hand. Blow short bursts of air into the PS4 vents. Do not hold the air can upside down. Blow air into the side vents of the PS4. Blow air into the rear exhaust vents of the PS4. Rotate the PS4 slightly to reach additional vent angles. Continue clearing as much dust from the PS4 vents as possible. Avoid pushing dust deeper into the PS4. Now check the PS4 USB ports on the front. Blow a quick burst of air into each PS4 USB port. Next, check the PS4 power port. Blow air into the PS4 power port gently. Now clean the PS4 HDMI port with one quick burst. Turn the PS4 around again and inspect all vents visually. Look for any remaining dust buildup on the PS4 surface. Wipe the PS4 top surface with a soft microfiber cloth. Wipe the PS4 sides to remove leftover debris. Make sure no dust falls back into the PS4 vents. If the PS4 is near a wall, consider moving it. The PS4 needs open airflow to stay quiet. Leave at least 4 to 6 inches of space behind the PS4. Avoid placing the PS4 inside a closed TV cabinet. Good airflow prevents the PS4 fan from running loudly. Now reconnect the HDMI cable to the PS4. Reconnect the power cable to the PS4. Plug the PS4 directly into a wall outlet, not an overloaded power strip. Make sure all PS4 cables are seated firmly. Press the PS4 power button once to turn it on. Listen to the PS4 startup sound. Observe the PS4 fan noise level as it boots. The PS4 fan should now run much quieter. If the PS4 is still loud, it may need internal cleaning. But in many cases, vent cleaning reduces PS4 noise significantly. Keep your PS4 elevated slightly, not resting on carpet. Air needs to flow under and around the PS4. You can place rubber pads under the PS4 for better airflow. Keep the PS4 away from direct heat sources. Avoid placing other devices directly on top of the PS4. Regular cleaning prevents PS4 overheating. Repeat this cleaning every month for best PS4 performance. This helps your PS4 run cooler, faster, and much quieter. Thanks for watching TechVibes and taking care of your PS4. Like, subscribe, and come back for more PS4 repair and optimization tips.